Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the food and the environment. This matters for feeding success. First, choose prey that matches your ball python's girth. Too big equals refusal or regurgitation. Once you pick the frozen mouse, thaw it in a sealed bag in warm water for 15 to 30 minutes. This preserves juices and avoids hot spots. Make sure the prey reaches approximately 37 degrees before offering. You can test on your wrist. These first actions reduce stress and mimic natural warm prey. You now move into how to present the thawed mouse so the snake accepts it. Use long tongs and mimic natural movements, short twitching motions for about 30 to 60 seconds. This triggers strike response. Offer feeding in the evening or under dim light because ball pythons are crepuscular to nocturnal and their appetite peaks then. Once offered, leave the prey for up to 1 hour while you observe. Also, stop handling the snake for 24 to 48 hours before and after feeding to reduce stress and regurgitation risk. You finish by securing the meal and troubleshooting common issues. After a successful strike, let the snake ingest uninterrupted and then return it to its enclosure with stable temperatures. Monitor swallowing for an hour. If the snake refuses, try scenting frozen prey with a bit of thawed rodent or change presentation. Lifestyle movement or feeding in a hide can help. If refusals persist more than 2 weeks, verify enclosure temps and humidity, check weight loss, and consult an experienced reptile vet. This rules out illness and resolves long-term problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.